Hi, and welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India. And today is one of those spring days that are just too beautiful to not do POTA. It's about 10 to 15 degrees Celsius outside. It's sunny, blue skies, and I got a couple of things I gotta check out and see if they work. We'll get back to that later on. But there is an issue. My usual park, Fredriksten Fortress, Lima Alpha 2532, is filled up with high schoolers partying before their graduation. There's a festival for them going on there. So hopefully some parts of the park will be outside the fence, and hopefully security and the crowds won't be too bad there. So I'm going there first to check, and if not, I got a plan B with a different park. So hang on and we'll see what happens. I'll see you when I get to the first park. Okay, let's take a look at my setup. I found a quiet spot here with no festival people around. It's actually one of my usual spots up here. There is a lot of music going on though in the background, so I hope that doesn't pick up too well and I'll get a copyright strike for that. But let's take a look at the station. First thing I was going to show off and test today is this drive over mast mount. My DX Commander mast doesn't fit inside it, but I've used just a steel mast here inside just to fix that. My second bit of kit is this common mode choke that I built and showed off. So I'm going to test that. And that brings us on to the antenna. It's a 9-to-1 random wire with a railing nut going out here and going up to the mast and back down again in an inverted V. So that'll be today's setup. And activation wise, I'm going to start with some 2 meter in Norwegian only. I'm not going to show you that. Then I'm going to do some FD8. We'll take a couple of quick peeks at that. And once I'm done with digital, we'll go to sideband and I'll show you the QSOs and the scenery around just as usual. Okay, I've started calling on FD4 now, so we'll see if I get some contacts. I'm not going to bore you with the digital stuff, but we'll do a roundup afterwards and we'll see how this goes. Okay, status so far is 2 FD8 and 2 FD4 on 20 meters. I'm going to keep going with digital for a little while and we'll see how that goes. Just have a little bit. I need to get some contacts up and going for my Kilo award, and also it's a little bit too early for sideband yet, I think, so FD8 will be good. Digimode's done. I've spent about an hour doing FD8 and FD4 all across the bands, and the random wire antenna performs. But then again, doing FD8 with 5 watts is on a random wire antenna is somewhat of a challenge. But I managed 12 contacts all around Europe, from Britain in the west to Russia in the east, so not too bad. So I'll get set up for sideband, and we'll do some sideband and see if that's any better. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, calling CQ Parks on the air, calling CQ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, calling CQ Parks on the air. Park Lima Alpha 2532, listening for any calls. Okay, week 1, Delta Charlie 5 Golf Mike, QSL. QSL, Delta Charlie 5 Golf Mike, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Thank you for the 4x4. You were about a 4 and 4 as well here. 44 both ways. QSL. QSL, park reference is Lima Alpha 2532. I repeat, Lima Alpha 2532. QSL. Park to park, Sierra Papa 8, Quebec Charlie Portable. Good morning, Andy. Your week today, about a 44, QSL.
Oscar November 4, Charlie Bravo.
Oscar, no, just one moment. Oscar, my phone won't cooperate. Oscar November 4, Charlie Bravo, QSL.
Roger, check, QSL, that's 100% correct. Good afternoon. Thank you very much again for returning. 5 and 7, 57 here on the signal report, over.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 57. You're 5 and 7 as well, so 5 and 7 both ways. Thank you for hunting 7-3. 7-3, have a nice weekend. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0, Fox India. Papa Delta 3 Radio Lima. There, Alex. 5 and 9 today. 5 and 9. QSL.
QSL the 5 and 9. Well, your signal is a little bit lower. It's 5 by 3. 5 by 3 here in the Netherlands.
QSL 5 by 3 is still a 5, so that's good. 7-3, and thank you for hunting.
Thanks for the activation. 73. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0, Fox India.
Bye.
Okay, I heard Foxtrot 4 India Lima Hotel. QSL.
QSL, okay, QSL, thank you. Good afternoon. I copy you 5 by 5, QSL.
QSL, thank you for the 5 by 5. You are 5 and 9 here at Lima Alpha 2532, John Baptiste. QSL.
QSL, thank you for Lima Alpha 2533, Norway 73, and good weekend.
7-3 and good weekend. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0, Fox India.
Oscar Echo 6, Bravo, India, Delta / whatever.
Let's see, Oscar Echo 6 and then Bravo something. Portable. Come again, please.
My call sign is Oscar Echo 6, Bravo, India, Delta / whatever. My name is Barbara.
QSL, Barbara. Just got, my phone is not cooperating with me logging. Oscar Echo 6, Bravo, India, Delta, Portable. 5 and 9 today, QSL.
QSL, 5859 is your report in Oscar. I'm a summit on the airspace, on the summit.
QSL, well done on the summit. I'm doing parks on the air here, so not being able to get anything but a park to summit. But good luck with your activation, Barbara.
Thank you for contact. My reference number of this summit is Oscar Echo Sierra Tango 473. Thank you for contact. 73. Good luck for the photo.
7-3, good luck. 44, QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0, Fox India.
Good evening, my friend. Oscar Echo 6, Papa, India Delta. Nice to meet you. My name is Peter Cressel.
Oscar Echo 6, Papa India Delta, QSL.
Roger, Oscar Echo 6, Papa, India Delta, mein Freund auch. 5-9 in Austria, I'm auch Summits in the Air Station bei POTA, bei Summits in the Air. Thank you, report is 5-9 und thank you, all the best of one weekend und grazie, thank you, all the best. 34 von Oscar Echo 6, Papa, India Delta, Schichtport Davis. Ciao, alles Gute.
Ciao, alles gut. 73, QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0, Fox India. Okay, conditions were not the greatest today, but I managed 23 in the log, whereas 12 of those were FT8 and FT4 contacts, and then 11 sideband contacts. All across the bands, the 921 performed pretty okay actually, and the choke seemed to be working. The weather's been nice. There's been a lot of noise from the festival, but all in all, a great activation. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel a little bit more, there are links below to do that. You can either buy me a coffee or support the channel on Patreon. So thank you for watching. Until next time, 7-3.